Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about best practices for deliverability in Klaviyo. So first thing is infrastructure setup. Email deliverability infrastructure refers to the different systems, tools, and domains that are used to deliver your emails to recipients. Next one is list acquisition. List acquisition refers to how to get subscribers and keep them. Building a list of valuable subscribers allows you to send recipients that are genuinely interested in your brand and product, leading to strong deliverability performance. Next one is warming. Warming refers to the process of introducing a new or cold IP, an IP address that has not been used to send emails in the last 30 days, or new or cold root domain, a domain that has been registered in the last 30 days or has never been used to send emails. Monitoring deliverability. In order to improve upon and maintain good deliverability, it is essential to continually monitor your email performance with Klaviyo. Next one is testing. Testing your content is an important part of deliverability to identify content-related spam triggers and identify what content performs best with your audience to maintain high engagement rates and good deliverability. Next one is sending. Your sending practices are key to maintaining good deliverability and positive sender reputation that allows you to land in customer inboxes. Next one is list hygiene. List hygiene is key for good deliverability as it ensures that your email list is composed of active, engaged profiles that are more likely to interact with your sends. That's it. Thanks for watching.